patient. Welcome to my creation. Working with patience, I'm another dimension. I'm in your dreams because I am your obsession. Cops, this is my patient. Welcome to my creation. Working with patience, I'm another dimension.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got a OBS all the way from Colorado Springs. They're going to be trailering it down. I think he got here tonight. I'm not sure. He's going to be dropping it off this morning. We're going to be doing a Titan window and a used sunroof kit with well-done bodywork. Primer roof, no paint on this one, but we're going to do the black or red suede headliner on the inside and paint his plastics and visors red. So that's what we got going on for today. It's going to be a 2-day project. I am slammed with work right now. I do have this truck that's be coming up next, and I still have the bed on the C10. I did have I do got to finish the body work on this side, but it is finished on this other side with the bed liner, and it's just dusty inside. Just power wash it. I do have this one coming up, and then they just dropped off another one over here, the homie Miguel's from work. I'll be doing some work to that truck, so stay tuned, guys. I am freaking slammed with work. I'm actually pushed out all the way to March with sunroofs, painting, with body work. I am slammed, so which is a good thing. I appreciate all the support from everybody. We're gonna just get you guys down the line. You guys can see I got all my tickets here. I got more tickets there, but yeah, I appreciate everybody for all the support to Rob's Customs. We're gonna just keep hitting them down the line, and if you're waiting, just be patient, and I'll be getting you in as soon as I get the next one out. A lot of these guys have been waiting. I got a guy from Greeley, Colorado. Shout out to the homie Carlos. He's been waiting for a while. He's wanting a panoramic Titan window on his Silverado, some starlights on it, and Raptor bedliner on his roof. So Carlos, I know you've been waiting the most, but it's a little hard right now to get the panoramics, but I do have one in sight. Hopefully everything goes through, and panoramic is in perfect operations, so I can go ahead and pick it up. I do need to drive to Phoenix, Arizona to go pick it up. So a little bit of digging I got to do on my part, but I do appreciate the wait, Carlos. I haven't forgot about you. I know he's been waiting for a while already, but it's just a waiting game pretty much. Like I told him, these panoramics are a little difficult to find, but when I do get them, they're up next on to the next customer that's waiting for one. So all right, guys, 2-day project. I do have my brother coming and help me out. I am going to be working on the OBS and be doing some work on the homie Miguel's truck. We do have his bezel. I'm going to throw this in also in the video. He wants this color match to his truck, so we got to blow it all apart, take everything apart, and start the sanding process on that. And then I'll go ahead and, once the truck comes, get some video of it and go from there. You guys know the routine. All right, stay tuned. We back. It's the next day. We got the Titan window installed on Saturday and the sunroof installed. I did the body work today, which is Sunday. Got it all prepped up. It's 100% ready to go. I'm gonna let the customer know it's ready to pick up, and we'll go from there. Just check it out. that's going to be it for the OBS. Sunroof install, red suede headliner, and a Titan window. I did let the customer know he's on his way to pick it up. That's going to be it for this one. Another one done. Like I said, I am booked. You can see all my tickets there. I am swamped with work right now, which is a good thing. Thank God. That's going to be it. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you in the new one.